How to limit download speed of Wi-Fi or mobile data on Android phone without any app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can limit the download speed of Wi-Fi or mobile data on Android phone without any application. So let's get started. First of all, you have to turn on the developer option in your mobile device. If you have not done it yet, here is how you can do it. First of all, open up settings in your device. After that, you have to go to the About Phone option at the very end and then go to Version. And simply keep on tapping this build your number. And after that, you will have an option to turn on the developer mode. Follow some screen instructions, and once you turn on the developer mode, now go back to setting page. And in the search bar, you can simply search for developer option. Then go to developer option. And here you can see the developer option is turned on. Now under this developer option, you have to keep on scrolling until you find the section that says networking. So under this networking at the very end, there is an option as network download rate limit. Tap on it. Now a drop down box will pop up. And here, according to your preferences, you can choose any one to limit the download speed of Wi-Fi or mobile data on your Android device. So choose according to your preferences, and then there you can see the setting is now applied. So that's how you can limit download speed of Wi-Fi or mobile network in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.